Hey guys, I'm Prabha and I came back, guys. You know that I uploaded a video, guys. That I have a big story to tell you guys, but yes, that house, guys. That video, it was deleted. I don't have it in the phone, guys. So let me just explain it to you guys how it was. Okay, when you walked in, there was a small hall, okay, living room. Then if you had gone right side, there was a small room. Then after that room, then if you had gone straight, then if you had gone straight, then you should you can there was like a small sit out dining area, and if you had gone right, left, and again left, bathroom. See, it is so complicated, guys. So nothing, guys. I just tried to look there, guys. That actually, guys. Then if I had gone little further and left, there is a puja room. And if I had gone diagonally, then there was a kitchen. And if I had gone right, there was a bathroom. I mean a bedroom, guys. A bedroom. Then there was a small bathroom, okay, in there. And guys, it was little worst experience we had, guys. So, and guys, you can hear the ting ting clicking sound. Guess who's it? So I will give you either three options. Is it my mother? Is it my father? Or is it my sister, guys? Okay. Yes, guys. So in 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Here is my sister. So guys, the answer was my sister, guys. So guys, that option I was telling you guys. That my house was little worse, but this house tour I will give you guys. I will send it for definitely sure. I will make it, guys, after like few weeks, guys. So just give some time, guys. And guys, say hello to my sister, guys. Subscribe, Anu. Hey. She's telling you to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, guys. I wanted 100 subscribers to hit. Bye. So guys, that was the end of the video, guys. If you want to watch more, Prabha, go to my channel and watch, guys. And that is it. Bye, guys. Bye.